Hi everyone, my name is Christy and there's my puppy Dexter. He gets so excited for my unboxing videos now. He just loves boxes. He thinks they're always for him, but no, this one's not for him. Today, I am unboxing my first ever Glam Bag X. So this is the February 2021 IPSY Glam Bag X. And this is brand new for IPSY, and I was so excited when I saw this being offered. So this basically replaces the old IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate, which was $50 a month. And now this is a quarterly upgrade to my Glam Bag Plus. And I got charged $58.34 for this upgrade. That's expensive. Let's hope it's worth it. It came in this really pretty purple box, which is different. So let's see what I got. I'm pretty sure I chose 3 of the products in this. So I love being able to get more customization. Okay. Ooh, this is different. So it's like a newspaper. So Glam Bag X, curated by Patrick Ta. We've got like product information, tips on how to do your brows, lots of product information. So wow, I'm excited to see this. And it's like a little quiz filled out by Patrick Ta. So this is very unique. I'm always complaining that IPSY doesn't give me product information, but they gave a lot of product information in that. And oh my gosh, there are a lot of products in here. I feel like this is definitely going to be worth the money. So first, I'm going to pull out this here. So this is the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. So this is 20% vitamin C. I think this might have been a product that I chose, but I love a vitamin C serum because it really helps brighten my skin and makes my kind of acne scars fade a lot quicker. I'm not familiar with this brand Beauty Stat, but hopefully it's good. I believe I get all full-size products, so I'm going to add up my total retail value. But this Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner has a retail value of $80, so we are starting off expensive. The next product here, oh, this is from Item Beauty, which I have tried out a few different products from Item Beauty. It's the, what's her name? I'm forgetting her name. The TikTok star. This is her new makeup brand. And this is the One Hit Prime, Set, and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. So the products I've tried out from Item Beauty so far have been kind of hit or miss, but makes me excited to try this out. They seem to be pretty relatively affordable, I should say, which I appreciate. I really love affordable makeup products and beauty products. Addison Rae, the name just came to me. But so, the Item Beauty One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist retails for $18. And if you're not already familiar with me and my channel, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get. And if I'm pulling out any products that you're extra interested in me doing review videos on first, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to be doing that for all of my IPSY Glam bags and my BoxyCharm boxes that I'm getting in the month of February, and I do it every month. But I'm also going to be doing my unboxings and unbaggings of my other IPSY Glam bag, my BoxyCharm Premium, and is my BoxyCharm Regular or my BoxyCharm Luxe? Depends on what month it is, but I always do the unboxing videos of those. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell if you are interested in seeing any of those types of videos. But so next, I always recognize this brand immediately from the packaging, Complex Culture. So this is the Sonic Tea Facial Massager. Oh, well, this is really pretty. I love that it's pink, but I do not really know what this is. I have never used one of these, but I probably should. It's supposed to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. And they give lots of instructions on how to use it. Oh, cool. So you're getting skincare, makeup, tools in this box. I've already got such a range of products. The Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager retails for $58. Wow, that is so much more expensive than I was expecting. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful packaging. This is from Huda Beauty, which I love the Huda Beauty brand, and I get a lot of really great Huda Beauty products in IPSY. This is the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. Oh my gosh, I bet this is going to be beautiful. Oh, love the packaging. That is beautiful, and let's look at the colors. Ooh, my gosh, what an experience this is to open. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful and so me. I love the range of colors. I love that there's a great mix of shimmers, all shimmers down here, mattes. I love warm tone neutrals as well. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh. I love eyeshadow palettes. They're just like one of my favorite things to get in my subscription boxes. And this color scheme, this brand is just making me so happy. I'm so excited about getting this one. And the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette retails for $65. I feel like I just continue to be very surprised by how expensive these products are. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is from Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. I don't think I've ever tried any products out from Pat McGrath Labs, and I feel like this is going to be another expensive product. Let's find out. I'm just using the IPSY app to find the retail values rather than going through that newspaper, but I love the IPSY app. It's really good. All right, so the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara in Extreme Black retails for $30. Yes, I would say that's expensive for a mascara. Next, oh, from Patrick Ta. Yes, I have wanted to try out products from Patrick Ta for so long. It's the Patrick Ta For Face Velvet Blush that I got in the shade She's Adorable. The packaging on this is adorable. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, of course, I love this with the pink. This is so pretty. Feels very luxurious. Look at that big mirror, a huge blush, and it looks like a gorgeous shade. I love more of the like almost a little bit tan types of blushes for my skin tone. So I can't wait to see how this looks on me. Hopefully it'll look good and I'm going to love it. So the Patrick Ta Beauty Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in She's Adorable retails for $32. There are seriously so many products. Next, I think this is from the brand About Face. It's the Matte Paint It Lip Color. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, love the packaging on this as well. I am not familiar with this brand About Face, but I love getting to try out new makeup brands. This is some interesting packaging. Oh, I think it's a liquid lipstick. I thought it was gonna be a stick lipstick, but no. Oh my gosh, this looks like a really cute shade as well. It's very similar to the shade I'm actually wearing on my lips right now. I'm loving the mix of brands that I've pulled out so far. So this About Face Paint It Matte Lip Color in Last Goodnight retails for $22. Next, oh my gosh, another lipstick. I'm not mad about that. I love lipsticks. This is from the brand, oh, Touch in Soul. It's the Soul Velvet Lipstick that I got in the shade Soul Rose, I think. Let's see. I know Touch in Soul makes really great primers. I didn't realize they made lipstick. Ooh, I like the packaging on this one as well. Also love this color. I'm very excited to try this out. You know what? That is not in my IPSY app. Did I redeem points for that and they just put it in my Glam Bag X? Maybe they did. Yeah, I don't see it in my little newspaper here, so this must have been a product that I redeemed my points for. I guess I have the worst memory. I don't remember that, but I'm excited about it. Next, I have talked about this product so many times. I love Babe Lash. So this is the Babe Lash Essential Serum, and this is an eyelash growth serum that will change your lashes. It works so well. I have seen it work on so many people, and when I've mentioned this on my channel before, I've gotten so many comments of people saying that it worked so well for them as well. So if you want to grow long, beautiful lashes, Babe Lash is all you need. I have been using this for years, and it's never irritated my eyes, it's never discolored my eyelids, nothing like that. I just can't speak enough good things about Babe Lash. And I was really excited to be able to choose this to add to my box because I always like to have a stash of Babe Lash to keep myself replenished or to give it as a gift because it's seriously like a life changer for people. But this is expensive. It has a retail value of $120, but I've realized that you can find it in IPSY or BoxyCharm add-ons somewhat often. Also, the Babe Lash website does some sales, but you gotta have that good timing. So when I see it, I try and stock up. So I actually have a few more products in here that I must have just redeemed my points for. So that's making this box look even more full. But in my actual Glam Bag X, I got 8 products. And I will do a recap. I'll let you know the total retail value of those. But first, I'll just continue unboxing the rest of my products. So here I have from Benefit the Roller Lash Black Mascara, super curling and lifting mascara. This is just one of my all-time favorite mascaras. So when I saw that I could redeem points for it, I snatched it up. I have a full dedicated review video on this already that I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see it, but I'm just really excited to have a new one of these because I have not used the Roller Lash Mascara in a very long time because I used that up a long time ago and I've just been using a bunch of other random mascaras, but I still remember how much I love it. Then I also got from the brand Foxy Bay, which I've tried out a few products from this brand. They're all like hair products and they're so good and it's such a cute brand. This is the 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask plus biotin. So I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair, which is 2 to 3 times a week. And I just think it's so good for the hair and it's just so quick and easy. So I always shampoo twice, condition, and then do a hair mask. So I was excited to get another hair mask and a hair mask from Foxy Bay, which is probably going to be really good. And then I also, would I have really redeemed points for this full size 111 Skin Day Cream? I must have because it's not in my app, but this is a very expensive product. And this is full size, and I got it for free by redeeming my IPSY points. But if you're not aware, you earn points by reviewing your products in the IPSY app each month. And whenever someone signs up through your referral link, anyone who has an IPSY subscription gets a referral link, then you can also earn points that way. I always have my personal IPSY referral link in the description down below if you're interested in signing up. But wow. I am very excited about this. I love the brand 111 Skin. This is the Y Theorem Day Cream. And my skin has been very dry, so I'm really going to need this day cream. It has vitamins, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid to strengthen, plump, and revitalize the complexion while keeping skin nourished and protected from environmental aggressors. Sounds perfect. So Wow, my first Glam Bag X, I am very happy with and very impressed by. What I love is that I got mostly makeup, which is what I want in IPSY, but then I got some really great expensive skincare and tools. So let me do a recap of everything that is officially part of my Glam Bag X. So I got the Pat McGrath Labs mascara, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered, the About Face Matte Painted Lip Color, the Eyelash Essential Serum, the Patrick Ta Blush, the Complex Culture Facial Massager, the Beauty Stat Vitamin C Serum, and the Item Beauty One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Skin Mist. So all of that bringing me to a total retail value of $425. That is crazy. I said I spent a little over $58 after taxes and all of that to get this Glam Bag X, and $425 worth of product. That's amazing, and I am so happy about all of these products. I can't wait to try them out. I'm so excited to watch everyone else's unboxings and see what they got, but I really want to know in the comments down below what you got in your Glam Bag X. If you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know your thoughts on them. And then just to recap the products that I redeemed my points for: the 111 Skin Day Cream, the Foxy Bay Hair Mask, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and the Touch in Soul Velvet Lipstick. Yay, so I am very happy with this. I'm going to continue getting the Glam Bag X. I just think it's so exciting, and I think there's some really exciting boxes to come in the future, it seems like, based off of the kind of marketing and spoilers I've been seeing from IPSY. I just think the Glam Bag X is hopefully going to be a hit. I would say that this first box is a success in my eyes, but I'm so curious to hear what everyone else is going to think. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.